Hello everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, we will talk about premium WordPress themes. So this is already episode 7 of our video compilation. And if you haven't watched the previous episodes, you can go back to the list of the videos so you would understand. Right, so let's get on to business. First, what are premium themes? So as we discussed previously, themes are somehow the representation of your site, or how exactly would you want your website to look like. Once you've installed WordPress.org, there are already a couple of free WordPress plugins for you to choose from, and they are also excellent. And let me just show you pretty quickly what they look like. So from appearance, you click on themes and it would pull up the pre-installed WordPress themes that are for free. So we have here 2019, 2017, and 2016. There's no problem using them. However, because they are free, their functionalities are very limited. If you wanted to have more options, more personalization, you definitely can install a premium WordPress theme. One site that I highly recommend in purchasing WordPress themes are the themes coming from my theme shop. So this has been used and being downloaded by millions of website owners, as you can see here. So currently 599,027 happy users, and they've got thousands of premium themes and plugins to choose from. Okay, so for my site, this is our website here, diggers.com, and we actually used schema theme for the look and feel of our website. So as you can see here from the top, these are our pages, and it is actually being presented that way. It should be on the top for this layout. And down below here are the categories, and we've got our name, or you can put in your logo here. And this is the pages, a post. All right, so once you are at the My Theme Shop website, you will be presented with a lot of options. So they've got here socially viral, AdSense, coupon, corporate. And for me, I chose schema theme because this is somehow what I wanted my site to look like. But to give you a quick look on other beautiful themes, okay, we go ahead and see, let's just say corporate. I'm gonna check on demo here. Let's see how it looks like. I'm just gonna click on next. And there are two layouts if you will purchase corporate theme. They've got a corporate default and a corporate app. And actually you can switch from default to the other. It's all up to you. So let's click on that. Right. So if you will install corporate theme to your website, this is basically how your website would look like. So the top here would be your logo or your website name, the social media icons all the way to the top, and you've got your article categories here. Then you've got like a welcome page here, and this is basically the arrangement. You can put here just whatever you want. You can actually customize it. So this is just a sample, but basically that's how you do it. So you put your team here, team members, and your services, if you're offering any, your portfolio or articles, experience, plans and pricing, and all that stuff. So if this fits your services, then you can definitely purchase this theme. very affordable. It's less than $40. It's $35. Alternatively, you can actually pay for a developer to develop a theme for you, but you're gonna end up spending hundreds or thousands of dollars for that. For these type of themes, you can purchase them for a very low price with all the functionalities that you would be needing. Okay, so just to give you a quick look on how it is being installed, this is my account, personal account, and I purchased a schema theme. So you're gonna click here, and then it will give you the instructions on how to download that and upload it to your WordPress.org account. So from here, click on this, and it would automatically download all the zip file. And once it's downloaded, you need to go back to your WordPress.org account, and you click on here, Appearance, Themes, and then you click on Add New Theme. And once it's opened, you can click here, Upload Theme. So once you click on that, then it would reroute to your documents or your downloads, and then you can upload the zip file that you have just downloaded from your My Theme Shop account. And once it's successful, then you can activate it. So let me show you if I could go back to, let me just see here, the installed themes, theme options here. Once it is successfully installed and activated from your WordPress.org account, you can click on theme options, and these are the complete settings of that specific theme. For this one, it's schema theme, so they've got general settings, performance, styling options, and a lot more. So from here, you can then personalize based on what you need. We're gonna go deeper into this topic on the next video. So for this one, I'm just going to show you your options when it comes to your website personalization. Again, you can choose your free pre-installed WordPress theme, and if you want to broaden your functionalities, then you can definitely purchase one of the premium themes from mythemeshop.com. Okay, so guys, that would be all for our discussion today. For our next episode, episode 8, we will be talking about how to activate your free SSL certificate. Right? And if you have any questions, you can message me or leave a comment down below. All right, thank you. Bye.